All right, welcome back to Eyes Open Media. Hope you guys are doing well. Prophet John here. Hope you guys are having an awesome Sunday. I want to go over Tron here. I want to look at Tron. Nice little swing here. I like when these things swing like this. When you see that top there, the double top up there, and then it swings down and makes like a U shape here. It makes like a nice little U shape. Sometimes it comes back up, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you get a cup and handle, so you get the nice little cup. It comes up here, but it doesn't come up to the top there, and then it gives you a nice handle, and then it breaks out from there. So we'll see how Tron does, but Tron's been doing good since this bottom here. If you guys follow us on Patreon, here was a nice little signal there. We had the red green, which is a buy signal. You see how this candle is exactly the same as this candle, and is also the bottom of a double bottom there for a higher low. So you got your low, you got your high, and you got your higher low double bottom there, basically red green, same exact candle, bull break, a technical move there. So if you guys followed us on Patreon, currency 365, that was easy money right there. And then we drew a line going up, and we said Tron's in a bull move. Let's see what happens going forward. And boom, it continued there, bullish doji there, and then continuation. And was that an inside? Yeah, that was an inside doji too, right there. Inside doji, bull break, and technical. Tron's looking good. Buy signal on the MACD. Well, it's in the power zone though. But let's see how high it can go. Maybe this will be the end of the day before it starts to rest out a little bit. What Tron would need to do now is not try to move higher because it will just be too much for it. It needs to go sideways now. Just go sideways for a couple of days, rest a little bit here, and then continue higher if that's what it wants to do. Maybe make a nice little handle here as well. That would be interesting, and then break out from there if that's what it wants to do. Why the reason why I'm bringing up Tron, because you can, if you hold Tron on your private keys, especially Atomic Wallet, you get airdrops. Okay, so you get dividends for holding Tron, and so let's check out some of the dividends that you get. All right, you get the one that everybody knows about, BitTorrent (BTT). So it can be also in your Exodus wallet, right? Exodus wallet, your private keys, you get free BTT for holding Tron every month, I believe it is. Okay, so so same thing. I believe it's the same thing for Atomic Wallet and all the other wallets, right? Again, check your wallets and make sure Jack's wallet and all the other wallets that you use. If you don't know about private key wallets, you can just search it on Google, top 10 private crypto wallets and things like that, and you hold your own cryptos, okay? The exchanges aren't holding it for you or nothing. It's you, so you better not lose that private key, right? Right? But anyways, so if you hold Tron, you're gonna get free BTT airdrops every month. I think you also get this one every month as well. Wink. I don't know much about Wink as an airdrop, as a token. I don't know much about it, but you'll get free Wink. This is on Atomic Wallet. I don't know about the other wallets, okay? But on Atomic Wallet, you get free BTT. You get free Win, WIN, which is Wink, and you also get Just. So you now get Just tokens as well, JST airdrops as well. You get three free coins just for holding dividends, just for holding Tron. So look, it's going to be one of the coins that you might want to look at after. If you don't have money right now, we pray that you do have money, and you will have money in the very near future. If you're struggling right now, we pray that that God blesses you with finances right now in Yeshua's name. But if you once the RV happens and some other things happen for you, okay, or once you're out of the four stocks or whatever the case may be, maybe you will be looking at this Tron, to be able to get these free dividends. Okay, that means your money's working for you. Even if the Tron network going sideways, you're still getting these airdrops. If the price is going down, you're getting these airdrops. If the price is going up, it's even better, right? And you're getting the airdrops. So 3 airdrops for 1 coin. That is awesome. It might be more coins in the future. Tron at one point Tron might have 10 airdrops for you for just holding Tron. So it's gonna be interesting. Justin Sun is helping out people with free dividends. Why not? It's cryptocurrencies. every crypto can do this. Okay, every crypto can. If you hold Litecoin, you should be getting some type of reward for holding Litecoin. I don't know why Charlie Lee and all these other cryptos don't do this. It's simple and easy, and it can be created out of thin air, right? Just like the Feds create the dollars out of thin air. This, you can do this on the blockchain. You can create a dividend for holding every coin, every crypto coin, right? And then people can cash out that coin for US dollars, right? Or you could swap it for, you can exchange it to Bitcoin and then cash it out for US dollars. You can swap it for Litecoin and then cash out in for US dollars if that's what you want. But of course, some people are going to want to just use that coin, swap it for more Bitcoin, swap it for more Ethereum, swap it for more Litecoin, swap it for more Kyber network and things like that. So those coins are used to be swapped most likely. Some people do hold those coins, but most of the time they're used to be swapped. Okay, so anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I think I'm gonna leave it there unless there's something else that I'm not thinking about. Like I said before, you can go to these, you can go to the Google and you can search for top crypto wallets, private crypto wallets, and they should come up. People have their own opinions on the top of those. On the charts I use was on Trading Views. Okay, I have my own charting stuff here on. I have my own account, and so I have my own setup here on Trading Views, and so that's what I use. I feel bad for Prophet Christian Pierre, man. I just feel bad for him because manipulation and is at an all-time high with this government and the Federal Reserves, and he's looking at the charts correctly. The 5-year chart had a head and shoulders pattern. We looked at it, we saw it itself, and they looks like the numbers on Friday with the 2.5 million jobs was incorrect. Okay, but they did that on purpose. Hint, hint, on purpose. They wanted to make sure that head and shoulder pattern did not come through. This is the problem with prophecies. You know what I mean? Like, dreams and prophecies can be manipulated by man. And they manipulated that on Friday, man, because there was no 2.5 million new jobs created. But they manipulated the report and they put it out. And Donald Trump knows that. Everybody knows that. That's why they're coming out now and over the weekend and saying, oops, there's something wrong with the 2.5 million jobs. Because how could that be if we were still under lockdown? No one, even right now, people are still hiring. So where did 2.5 million people come out their house and go and get a new job? Where did that happen? While everybody was on lockdown? Nah, that didn't happen. Okay, so they manipulated the numbers and they put out a good job report because they knew the top was coming in for the Dow. Okay, so it almost reminds us of December. Remember when December, it looks like we were about to see the crash in December, and all of a sudden they manipulated some more, and we keep going higher. And then it took us 2 months, for us to finally start to crash. So, I don't know what's going to happen this week on the Dow, but I feel bad for Christian Pierre because they manipulated those numbers on purpose. Donald Trump went on a Twitter storm on Friday on purpose so that his people could load up their stock market and make sure that head and shoulder pattern was not confirmed on Friday. That's why I told you guys Friday was going to be a big day and it's going to be a pivot day, because if we had stopped at 27,000 and we had formed that bearish candle, which looked like it was going to form, and everything was right. I told you guys Friday was going to start with a bang, but then it was going to close. It was probably going to close badly and with a shooting star, and they did not allow that to happen. They kept the good news pouring in all day, and they let it go. So shout out to the Bulls, even though it's fake. Hey, the Bulls are winning, the Bulls are making money, and the Bears are eating crow right now, right? And I was able to make some money on Friday as well, and had some positions. I also sold a whole bunch of stuff. I got a lot of cash on hand. I'm gonna be day trading on Monday. Got a lot of cash on hand and inside the markets in my accounts, and I'm just gonna be day trading, building that up. And then once the sign that the markets are about to reverse and go downwards and go down heavy, we will let you guys know. Okay, everybody will know. Everybody will know when the markets are ready to go down, and then we'll jump in the short positions, and we'll make a lot of money. Christian Pierre will make a lot of money if he's holding his position. Hey, keep holding that position, and and wait for the markets to go down, and then pouring a ton of money into it on the short side, and let it go all the way back to 20,000, and maybe we'll have the racket in our evaluation at that point. Don't know. And then maybe we'll plunge even lower to 18,000, down into that 8,000 range. Who knows? Only God knows. Other than that, dreams can be manipulated, prophecies can be manipulated, and it is what it is. They're pumping a lot of money into this markets, and at some point, the giant of debt's got to be killed for us to see this new monetary system and this new life of ours. We got to kill this giant of debt. They can't keep printing and printing and printing and printing and printing. That's got to stop at some point. Right now, and it's not stopping. So we gotta make money on the way up. This week's going to be a rocky week, I think. Last week I thought it was going to be a really good week. Last week I called that really nicely. I thought it was going to be a really good week. I thought the first 2 days are going to be really good, and then I thought it was going to be really kind of choppy on Wednesday and Thursday. But Wednesday was really good. Thursday was okay as well, and Thursday was like a rest day. And then I told you guys Friday is going to be absolutely bull day in the beginning, and I thought that we're going to come back. We actually did come back. There's a nice little wick there. If you look at the Dow, let me go to the Dow, and you'll see that nice little wick there at the end, but we didn't get that flush down that I was looking for the bears. So the bears got, see that wick? There's a wick right there. So we got that wick, but we didn't get a flush out. We wanted to see a shooting star. We just didn't get it. But we are way overbought though. But let's see what the markets do. Peace out. God bless. Eyes open. And yeah, that's it. Bye.